Ciao Tesla people. Today I wanted to show you a bug that I found in the Tesla UI. So if you pull up your climate control here, I have the icon for the wipers here, and if you push that, nothing happens. But the wipers interface is behind here, okay? So I can show you. So if I push it again and I go to Spotify, for example, here's the UI, which means so that the interface for the wiper is under the interface of the climate control, but it should appear on top of it, or should, the climate control should go down and the wipers should show up. It's like, for example, if I'm at the climate control, and if I push the Spotify, it will pull down the climate control and show you the Spotify. If I push the wipers, here it is, because it doesn't occupy much, okay? So this is a bug that Tesla should fix, because that's not the way it's supposed to work. If I push a button, something should happen and should be on top of the UI stack, if you know what I mean, okay? So Tesla, please fix this. To replicate it, push the climate control, have the wipers here, push it, and nothing happens. But the wiper control is underneath. Okay? So I just wanted to report this bug. Hopefully somebody at Tesla listen. If you watch the video, please share it with anyone you know. If you have a contact with Tesla, please share it with Tesla. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.